Ji Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Training Official. So today we will dive into the fascinating world of volumetric fog, exploring how to create stunning atmospheric effects that add depth and realism to your Blender projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, join me as we unlock the secrets to harnessing the power of volumetric fog inside Blender. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Here I've already set up a simple scene with a room, window and a camera. Either create a simple room or you can import some 3D model to the scene. Again, it totally depends upon you, right? Now the first step is to add a sky texture to the scene. So go to the word properties and add sky texture to your scene. You can change the values according to your ease, like sun size, intensity, elevation and scale. Here in my case I can change sun size to 0.02, intensity should be 1.0, elevation and rotation should be 22 and 24, and in the last, background strength should be 3, right? The next step is to add some spotlight to your scene. So type Shift A and add a spotlight, right? Moving forward, next we have to apply volumetric fog effect. So for this, create a simple cube covering all four sides of your room or in the direction of sun to add some volumetric fog effect. Now by selecting the cube, go to shader editor, delete the principal BSDF default principal BSDF and add a volume scatter to the scene. I repeat, delete the default principal BSDF and add a volume scatter to the scene. Change the density to 0.1 or maybe higher according to the project requirements, right? And finally hit the render button. You can either use Eevee or cycles, but I suggest you to go for cycles render as it has more rendering abilities as compared to Eevee. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.